Okay, hi everyone. Today we're gonna do iReady Math. Click on iReady Math to enjoy, guys. So we'll stop right back, guys. And it was my little brother Kriston.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this toilet paper roll? Fired up! The toilet paper roll is 4/4 long, so it's about 4 inches long.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this tube? Remember, the quarter is about 1 inch long. Try again. Pew, pew. The tube is 7/4 long, so it's about 7 inches long.
Let's estimate the length of this washer. We know this eraser is about 5 centimeters long. About how many centimeters long do you think the washer is? The washer is a little shorter than one eraser. It's about 3 centimeters long.
If it's about, then it's so close.
Estimate the length of the ball in centimeters. The ball is a little longer than one eraser. It's about 6 centimeters long.
Estimate the length of the chalk in centimeters. How close is your estimate? The chalk is a little longer than 2 erasers. It's about 12 centimeters long.
Estimate the length of the wire in centimeters. How close is your estimate? The wire is a little longer than one eraser. It's about 7 centimeters long.
6, 7.
Which is the
6,
best estimate for the
7.
length of this screw? I knew you could do it. The screw is a little shorter than one eraser, so it's about 3 centimeters long.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this spool of thread?
Why does it look like a bed for some reason, but with no pillows? Like, this is pretty weird. But it's called what?
Choose the best estimate for the length of the spool of thread.
Spool of thread. It's called a spool of thread.
Woohoo! The spool of thread is almost 3 erasers long. So it's about 14 centimeters long.
But it's 15.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this clip? I am impressed. The clip is a little shorter than 2 erasers, so it's about 8 centimeters long.
How about if you cut part of the eraser?
Let's estimate the length of this pipe cleaner. We know this chalk is about 10 centimeters long. About how many centimeters long do you think the pipe cleaner is? How close is your estimate? The pipe cleaner is a little longer than one chalk. It's about 11 centimeters long.
Estimate the length of the battery in centimeters. The battery is about...
You knew how I knew it was 5 centimeters?
5 meters?
It was 5 centimeters because I saw basically half of it, and it's 10. So I was like, oh, so I don't even have to think. I already know it's like 5. And I didn't even have to think. I already knew.
half as long as the chalk. So, it's about 5 centimeters long.
Estimate the length of the chain in centimeters. The chain is a little longer than 2 chalks. It's about 23 centimeters long.
Yeah.
Estimate the length of the tube in centimeters.
You know how I knew it's 8? Because I saw it was like part of 2 pieces. Then I was like, oh, so if I chop these down, it might be 8. So I did 8. That sounds even worse. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's how I knew it's 8. Back to math mode.
The tube is a little shorter than 1 chalk. It's about 8 centimeters long.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this wire? Yes! The wire is a little shorter than 2.
You knew how I know it's going to be 17? Because it looks like if there's a 20, they could be extra, which equals what it could be a 7 here. And then I was like, oh, so, man, this could be 17. Now I know. Right? Unpause it! You knew!
Chalks. So it's about 17 centimeters long.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this light bulb?
It's definitely going to be 8. Look. Just 2 pieces. And I already told you how I knew that.
Nice move! The light bulb is a little shorter than 1 piece of chalk. So, it's about 8 centimeters long.
Which is the best estimate for the length of this spatula?
I would definitely not say 5 or 10. That's definitely 20. What's so bad? Look. Pats! I already told you, Pats!
Out of this world! The spatula is 2 pieces of chalk long.
The
So
law of
it's about
YouTube.
20 centimeters long.
Let's keep estimating. Which describes the length of this glow stick? Indeed, the glow stick is about 5/4 long. So, it's longer than 4 inches, but shorter than 7 inches.
Which describes the length of this paper towel roll?
Let me put battery saver. Energy saver. Okay, okay. I would say around 1, 2, 3, adding 2 fractions plus 10. I would say. I'm doing some math. So longer than 10 inches. Wait, what?
Remember, the quarter is about 1 inch long. Try again.
Let me add some more fractions now. So that would equals like 5 fractions plus 2 fractions. So if you minus that plus that, it's going to be 5 minus 10 equals negative 5. 5. And then after negative 5 minus negative 10, it's going to equal negative times 2. So it's going to equal shorter than 5 inches. Yes, I got some fractions ready.
The paper towel roll is about 8 quarters long. So, it's longer than 5 inches, but shorter than 10 inches.
Come on already, that was actually pretty wrong. Just count your fractions again. I would be righter and then you'd be like, bro.
Which describes the length of this fork? Remember, the eraser is about 5 centimeters long. Try again. Well done! The fork is longer than 2 erasers, so it's longer than 10 centimeters.
So, guys, bye everyone. See you on the next vid.